What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope everything is fine in your life, and I hope you guys are safe from COVID-19. Okay guys, today in this video I'm gonna be making a lo-fi beat from scratch. So I've made another video where I show you guys how to use chord pads to make lo-fi beats, but in this video I'm gonna show you how to create your own samples for lo-fi beat. Alright, so I hope you guys are ready. Let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna make this beat using the same technique that I mentioned in my other video. If you haven't seen that video, please go and check it out. A lot of great tips in that video, right? So I'm gonna go to contact and create. I'm gonna go with Scarby Mark 1 and On the Road. I like this patch here. It's really cool, very soulful sound. Sounds really good. So I'm gonna just use the minor 7th and D minor 7 actually with okay, I know the first chord that I want is D minor 7, but I'm not sure about the second chord. Let's just mess around with it and find out what chords match the vibe that I was looking for. Alright, so that's a yes chord for me. Okay, I'm gonna record something here. Sounds good to me. Okay, so that's the chord. That's the first chord that we get. I'm gonna change it a little bit. Hang on. Okay, I like the first chord. The second chord, I'm not really sure yet. It sounds good. So let me change something here. Can I delete this? Okay guys, I've changed some of the notes for the first chord. It's still D minor 7, but I'm adding a few notes here and there. So it's D minor 7 to G sus2 7. I like the way it sounds together. I love the feel that I get from this. Okay, I've added another MIDI track here. Let's find some horns. Okay, let's try this. Let's record something. I like it, but let's see if we can find something else. I like the second melody that I created for this horns. So I'm gonna add one more MIDI track, and this MIDI track, I'm gonna go with the Contact Factory library and add alto saxophone. Let's go with that. Okay, let's record something. this right here. Yeah, I like it. Let me quantize this a little bit. Okay. Ooh, I love it. So it starts like this. Okay, I'm gonna adjust the velocity a little bit. Okay. Sounds good, right? So now I can add on the drums. Let me adjust the note properly. Let's hear it. Let's get snare. Yeah. It's better. Let's find some nice hi-hat. Let's program this guy real quick. Smooth, right? Okay, the percussion, I'm gonna create some kind of bounce, and let's add some swings here. Okay, now let's add a bass. Go Scarby Wicker bass. Sounds good. I think I want to add something else, maybe tenor saxophone. Yeah, let's try that. I like it. Okay, let's adjust the note so it sounds better. Okay, increase the swing a little bit. I like it. Now I'm going to arrange this track. I'm going to delete all this thing. Okay, I want the song to start with piano, just the bass and a hi-hat. Oh, let me add the most important element, the granulizer. So we need this for the lo-fi sound. Vinyl crackles. Okay? Yeah, let's go. lo-fi beat from scratch. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the beat. So I just showed you how to make a lo-fi beat from scratch, and I hope you guys love the beat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. If you guys did, please make sure to subscribe and turn on notification and smash that like button and share this video to all your friends and families. Alright, okay, thank you so much for watching guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.